Long questions. What is preservation of food? Preserving food means preventing it from spoilage. This can be done by following methods. Canning. In this method, food is heated at a specified temperature and time and then sealed in special glass jars. For example, fruits, vegetables, meats and seafood are canned. Freezing. In this method, food is frozen to 18 degrees Celsius. For example, fruits, vegetables, meats, seafood, nuts, grains, dairy and eggs can be frozen. Drying. In this method, moisture is removed from food. For example, fruits, vegetables, meat, seafood, grains and nuts can be dried. Fermenting. In this method, good bacteria is allowed to grow against the bad bacteria to preserve food. For example, yogurt from milk. Pickling. In this method, food is soaked in a solution containing salt and acid. Why is water conservation a challenge in Pakistan? Why is it important to conserve water? Suggest a few ways in which we can conserve water at an individual, community and national level. Water shortage is the main challenge of Pakistan. Conserving water saves energy. Energy is needed to filter, heat and pump water to your home. Using less water keeps it more in our ecosystems. Way to save water. Check your toilet leaks. Take shorter showers. Turn off the water while brushing and shaving. Proper care of water supply pipelines. Keep a bottle of drinking water in the fridge. Write the steps to make a stethoscope in the school. Material required: plastic tube, 1 to 2 feet long. 2 medium-sized balloons. 2 small funnel. Electrical tape or regular duct tape. A pair of scissors. Procedure: cut the plastic tape with the help of scissors. Tie the balloons on both the ends of plastic tube with the help of duct tape. Fit the other ends of balloons to the funnels, also taping it. Now our stethoscope is ready. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Phys Education and press the bell button for early notifications.